Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making original Jamaican strong back drink, right? So please, if you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. Click the notification bell so that you get notified when I post another video. Don't be afraid to comment. So yes guys, today I'm going to be making the original Jamaican strong back drink. Yeah, we have some of the ingredients that I'm going to be showing you guys. So yes, we have young banana, which banana is rich in potassium, which works as a vaso, which is right, it works like it's all right. What made I say though? Like it controls your blood pressure and so forth, your blood pressure levels, and it also improves digestive health. So making this drink, it's very, it's a all-round healthy drink because of the type of thing that is put in it. So yes, and banana is also good for your, every time you eat a green banana, like if you boil it and eat it, um it increases your insulin in your blood, in your body, so it's very good. I'm also going to be using pumpkin again. Yes guys, pumpkin is rich in vitamin, minerals, and it has low, it helps lower your cholesterol, and it's a good weight loss fruit. So if you are going on a weight loss journey, you can add pumpkin to your your daily routine. And this strong back drink punch that I am making can also be added to your weight loss you know diet, right? We're also going to be using, guys, oats. And also oats is also good for weight loss as well. It lowers blood sugar levels. I'm going to be using Quaker's raw oats. Yes guys, and and it's good for skin health, beautiful skin like mine. And it also promotes heart health, and it can be used to prevent certain types of cancers also. So you know oats is really good, and it's also a good fiber. So if you're constipated, yeah, oats is good for that also. So we have with cheney root, of course. Can do not without cheney root. And cheney root, it boosts sex drive, and it also cleanses your blood. And it's also good for people that are suffering from anemia. So if you're anemic, yes, it's very good. And it also treats skin rashes and relieve back pain and arthritis. So cheney root is very good to have in your all-round strong back drink, right? I'm also going to be adding some dragon in my drink. Yes, and dragon helps to protect your body from diseases, and it has a lot of vitamins and minerals that is essential for good health. So dragon is a very healthy drink. That's why I'm adding it into my pumpkin into my strong back drink today. Yes guys, I'm also going to be putting guineas. Yes, and guineas now, our guineas is almost like the same thing like the dragon, but I feel like it has more benefits because it's full of antioxidants, vitamins, you have prebiotics. It's really good for it also helps to produce good gut bacteria, right? So if you're making your strong back drink, you can add guineas. It's really good. As you guys know, I'm going to be putting vanilla for taste, almond for taste, Betty for taste. So you know that those are the ingredients that I'm going to be putting in my strong back drink today. So stay tuned. So yeah, that I'm going to be doing, I gotta make sure some wash my banana them. Go cut off the things that I don't need on the banana first. Put them in the need, guys. I'm not going to be cutting off the skin because the skin contains iron, which is good for us. You know, it's very essential in the drink. So, let's take off the things that we don't need. Things that we don't need, we're throwing it away. Oh yes, guys, I'm also going to be boiling my pumpkin and my cherry root and my banana with cinnamon leaf. Yes, cinnamon can be used to treat a lot of diseases such as Alzheimer, cancer, HIV, tooth decay, allergies, and heart diseases. So it's good. So that's why I'm going to be using, and it's also a good, you know, a good flavoring also. And if you have diarrhea or nausea, the leaf is really good as well. So we're going to wash. I go wash them. I'm going to wash banana. Okay, guys, wash the bit. So you make sure you wash your banana. And a young banana, this, guys. Young banana. Not too young, you know, but it could have stayed a little longer. Because it has more iron in it. So, young banana. I'm going to wash my banana. Wash my chain root. Yes, guys. Wash the chain root. Wash your pumpkin. Okay. Going to be cutting up my bananas. I think I need so much banana. But when I cut it up, maybe see. Because this is a lot of bananas. Got one on. I think I need so much. Now go. Where you going? Hey guys, you cut up your banana, and then you just put it to boil, and then we are gonna blend them up. Blend it up with the oats. I think we are gonna blend them up. I don't want to go to work. Serpents, no disturb. So yes guys, we finished cut up the banana. We are going to cut up the pumpkin. Not to think me I going to use so much pumpkin. I'm going to use a piece. Which piece you think I must use? Comment down below which piece you think I should have used. I think I'm gonna be using the smaller piece because I don't want to overpower the banana, because the banana the star of the show today. So we just go take off what we don't want off of the pumpkin. As you guys know, don't peel the pumpkin. The best part is the skin. So yeah guys, catch up with fire. I have fire in it already. Just go funny. Make it Yes guys, remember, if you are not already subscribed, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I post another video. Don't be afraid to comment. Okay guys, I'll catch up with fire. Whew. Catch up already because I go to work. I never probably pick it up. So yeah guys, I'm gonna wash my hand, get my hand back up. Cool. And guys, I'm gonna add my pumpkin and the banana in it. will make them boil. So yes guys, I'm going to be adding some salt to the pot. We'll add the salt, you know, to bring up the taste of the pumpkin and the banana. Don't need a lot of salt. Just mix it up and let it boil. Yes guys, we are going to add the chili root as well to the fire. Add the chili root. Cover it up and make everything boil together. Yeah. So here guys, I'm go wash off my cinnamon leaf because the water boil up now. Put my cinnamon leaf on the top. Wash off my cinnamon leaf. Then add it to the pot. So you see? I will get like a little tear. Kind of get to release the cinnamon, then put it down in the pot. We go and boil with it. Hey guys. So yeah guys, the banana with pumpkin a boil up. When then the banana not fully cooked yet, we'll make it cook some more. Then we're gonna blend it up with the pumpkin. Right guys, so and this the cinnamon smelling nice, smell really good. Yeah, so cinnamon can be used as like, you know, a flavoring to this water guys. We're not gonna waste the water, we're going to be using it as well. I'm gonna make it cook some more, you know, make sure so the banana cook. Okay, so it's really, you know, I'm gonna take out the arrow with chain root. I feel like say it's supposed to, you know, everything's supposed to blend in here already. Yeah, look like more pumpkin in here than banana. Hey guys. So yeah guys, we blend up with banana, pumpkin, and the things that I was boiled, and the oats in this. And now we are going to sweeten it with the stuff them we have. Whoa, mix it up a bit. This one, it a go can hold. All of them sitting a go can hold in here. What do you think of it? Hey guys, I'm going to be adding some milk. Add the milk in it. You shake up. I had the milk in here, guys. This look like this. Not look like this. I go can hold them in there. Talk. More than it, so mix in a 2 container. Guys, put some vanilla in here. Guys, hey, we have a lot. Bountiful. Put vanilla. I put some almond essence in it. I'll do the same for this too. Almond essence in this. some vanilla in this too. Guys, we have too much. I feel I'm mixing a two different containers. Remember, see me have me. I put my condensed milk in it. Okay. Condensed milk. Condensed milk, another one or two. Oh my gosh. Get the whole heap. Yes, guys, a lot of I have ingredients in abundance, so condensed milk in here. Hey guys, not too much condensed milk, and then you mix. I'm gonna mix that one or two. So we have a lot. Pull my jug on. How them pull and sit down. Ooh. Jug on in there. I'm gonna put a jug on in there. Mix it. So everything spread. You know, so I should not mix in this. Look, I have this. Guys, I have my thing here where I have to mix something in now. And there. I mix them separate. Hey guys, I want to see it. So you guys, I'm gonna add my guineas in it now. I don't think I keep on a phone. I'm gonna and I will just add the guineas. Ooh, alright. I will mix it. This you kind of smell like you want a little teeny more. Add this in there. A little more in there. Look at me. Don't put too much. I can't make it. That's not too bitter. I don't want nothing bitter, so I'm gonna try that shit. So you guys, we have a strong back drink. And guess what, guys? Strong back drink is not only good for men, it is good for women. Very, very good for women. You know, put back what we lose out our body each month. Yeah, as I said, it's good for people with anemic like myself. Yes, guys, that's why I'm eye dark, because I'm anemic. I'm anemic. I'm anemic bad, so that's why my eyes are dark. So most people always comment and say, "Oh, you need to get more sleep." I don't need no more sleep than when I get each day. Cause I sleep more than me awake. So yes, guys, cause I don't want it too bitter. I don't want it too bitter, guys, cause I don't really drink Guinness and then something there like that. But I want to make a good strong back, so I'm add them in it. So yes, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And just join the Fanica TV family. Yes, guys. The drink is finished. So this is the finishing. And I have my eyes on something in it. It's my first time tasting this drink. So the place, we're going to get rain, so the place kind of bleaky. I'm going to be tasting it. Tastes really good. Gosh, it tastes good. The only thing, I'm kind of like a sweet tooth person. So the only thing that's wrong with it, we should have put a little more condensed milk in it, but otherwise, it's really nice. When I really taste the Guinness and the dragon like that, it's not bitter. The oats strong in it. Yeah, me I taste the oats, but yeah, man. Make your own strong back drink, guys. It's yeah, man. It's my first time making it, first time drinking it, guys. And I'm telling you, me that make you one second time. Same way, exactly the same way. Mood to put nothing different on anything. Me just want a little more condensed milk, make it a little sweeter. But it does taste like a healthy drink. So remember, guys, to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Like up the video. Share the video to a family, friend, cousin, everybody. Just share up the video. Support a new YouTuber. Yes, guys. Strong back drink. Yay!